how to find screenshots on my live settings on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find screenshots on my live settings on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app. Here you will find this three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then click settings. Here you will find privacy. Click on it and scroll down until you find this one, allow screenshots. All you need to do is just turn it off if you want, and you can turn it on again just by one click. And that's it. It's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end. And see you in the next video.